When cooking comes to mind, here are 4 African meals you cannot miss in an African home. Cook with me. So we have chicken here. One thing you need to check when you're going to shop for chicken is the date of packaging. So like in this one, the production date is 9th of November. When I checked others, they were actually later dates. So it's important to check. Then we have our beef here. So we want to just slice the chicken and marinate. So we are done slicing. My nephew was helping me and we are ready to marinate. But one thing that surprised me about the village shops, you can see this plastic paper has all the pieces of this chicken. It has the gizzard, it has the neck, it has the heart, and even the liver. I was surprised. When I buy from the big supermarkets in the city, I don't get all these parts. I just get whatever we have sliced. I was shocked. But I think it's a good thing that it has everything. You can see the gizzard and the heart. Every part of this is the heart. Every part of the chicken was made available. And we are now ready to season.
Don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay start. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like your arms and stay with me, baby. Stay, 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 stay,